What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, we're going to be putting an end to our 30-day make money online challenge, where we try to make money on Clickbank from scratch using 100% free traffic and start from scratch using Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest accounts to try to make our first sale on Clickbank starting from scratch. So our challenge ended about 2 days ago, but I was not able to make a video, guys, because I've been having some issues with YouTube. So I'm making a video today, guys, to show you what has been happening inside our different social media accounts, and also we're also going to see if we actually made our first money on Clickbank during this particular challenge. And I'm going to show you guys everything that's been happening on the different accounts. We're going to go back to our dashboard and we're going to see if you actually made any money or if you did not make any money in this 30 days challenge right here. So the first thing from here is I'm just going to go to our TikTok accounts from here. So you can see from here, these are TikTok accounts. As you can see from here, I've been posting a lot of different styles of content. As you can see from here, some of our videos are getting a lot of views and some of them are getting few views, but we have actually gotten tons of views. I've gotten thousands of views from this particular TikTok account in the last 30 days, and we've actually gotten a lot of clicks as well from this TikTok account, as we're going to see inside our analytics inside our account. So let me just quickly go to the other accounts as well. I'm just going to make this video very simple and a quick video so that you're going to see exactly what happened inside the last 30 days. So we go back right here. So let's go right here to our Pinterest account. So let me click on this and wait for this to load. Let me just reload this. So you can see from here, this is one of our first Pinterest accounts that we created from here. You can see right now we're actually getting a lot of impressions. Considering we are getting up to 10,000 plus impressions just in the last 30 days of creating this particular Pinterest account, and we're getting a lot of clicks as well from this particular account right here. Meanwhile, right now we have up to about 11 Pinterest accounts that we created, and we're posting content promoting our affiliate offer. So this is the analytics inside our first Pinterest accounts, and I'm not going to show you guys all the other accounts because also we have a lot of, it's going to take a lot more time to create this particular video. I just want to keep this video right here short, and if you watch the previous videos, you're going to see all the different Pinterest accounts that we created and posted content on, as I show you guys the different styles of content that I was trying on those different accounts that help us to get a lot of traffic. So you can see from here, it's showing right here that we have gotten only 7,000 monthly views, but you can see right here we're getting a lot more impressions than that. I can see from here right now we've gotten up to 4 followers, people following our accounts, and then you can see from here I'm still following some people as well, and you can see I'm posting different styles of content on this particular account and also on the other different Pinterest accounts that we created during this particular challenge. So we go right here to our Instagram accounts from here. So Instagram accounts from here is going to take a lot more time to grow. So our Instagram account did not get a lot of growth because we are starting from scratch and we're not spending any money to go and promote those accounts. But you can see from here we're still getting views and we're still getting clicks from our different Instagram accounts. You can see this is the second account that we created. As you can see from here, we're still getting some followers and we're still getting some clicks from this particular account. So in the next coming days, I'm going to try to use, for example, paid promotion method to try and grow this account a lot faster, or I'm still going to be posting free content on this. So if you go to the second account, so let me reload this, you're going to see as well we have right now we have 14 followers, and you can see on this account we are still getting some followers as well on this account. You can see from here the content, we are posting different styles of content, and you can see some of them are getting a lot of views, some of them are getting low views, but the main advantage about this is that we're getting clicks from this account all the time. So we're getting 1 or 2 clicks plus every single day from this account, and that is all that matters, because all we are doing in this 30 days challenge was to try and create platforms that can help us to generate free traffic and send it back to our affiliate offers, to our affiliate accounts, and hopefully so we can go and make some money with free traffic. So if you continue posting content on, for example, these 2 Instagram accounts for the next 3 months, for example in the next 2 months, and you're doing, for example, paid promotion, or even without paid promotion, you're posting different styles of content consistently, you're going to grow, and these accounts are going to get, for example, 100 followers plus. After 100 followers plus, your account is going to get recommended a lot more, and you're going to start getting a lot of views, start getting a lot of clicks, and start getting consistent clicks And once your account is grown on Instagram, you can actually go and make a lot of money consistently without actually even posting every single day, because your account, you now have a lot of audience that are going to, and your account is going to mostly be recommended once you have a lot of followers on Instagram. So that's, guys. So if I go, for example, to the other accounts, as I show you guys from here, these are the other Pinterest accounts that we created. As you can see from here, it's showing right here now only 57 views, and that's because this is outside here. It's going to take a lot more time for the analytics to show the accurate amount of views that we're getting from this particular account. So I'll show you guys the other second account. You can see from here as well, it's showing 57 views, which means that this is not accurate. It's not showing us how much views we're getting, because we're actually getting a lot more views than 57 views from these different social media, different Pinterest accounts from here. If I check, for example, these other accounts from here, you can see we're getting views as well. It's also showing, you can see from here, it's showing 70 views, but we're getting at least 3,000 views right now from this particular account if I go to the analytics. So these are our accounts that we created as well. You can see it's showing 88 views, monthly views, which is we're getting around 2,000 plus views from this particular account as well. And also this one, you can see it's showing just 36 monthly views, but we're getting a lot more views than this. So there's also the other accounts that I show you guys. We created up to 11 plus accounts, 2 Pinterest accounts, to try and promote our affiliate offer in the last few days, and we have actually getting a lot of views as well from those accounts. So what we're going to do now is that if you want to go and grow your accounts and audience to continually getting views and getting clicks consistently every single day, all you're going to do, you're going to consistently be posting on these different accounts for the next, for example, 2 months. You're going to say your accounts on Pinterest are going to grow, for example. So imagine, for example, they're getting 10 clicks on one Pinterest account per day, and you grow, for example, 10 Pinterest accounts, and you're posting content every single day. You're going to see that you're going to be having 100 plus clicks every single day from those 10 plus Pinterest accounts. And also join with the TikTok account and the Instagram account. You're going to see you're going to be getting a lot of views every single day if you continue growing these different accounts right here and posting content every single day. So that's, guys. So I just want to make a short video. So right now we're going to go to our Clickbank account, so we're going to verify if you actually made any money in these 30 days, and we're also going to see how much traffic we got, and we're also going to see where we got most of our traffic from. So let me go back to Clickbank. So right now we're just going to go back to Clickbank, and we're going to go to our dashboard and see if we actually made any money or not in this last 30 days of this challenge. So let me just click right here and go to our dashboard, and let's wait for this to load. I can see right now we did not make any money in this last 30 days, and this is actually a realistic way of making money online. If you're starting from scratch and you're just spending any money, it's not going to just happen like magic, and it's very, very normal. All you're going to do, you're going to create those accounts as I show you guys. We're getting a lot of clicks. As you're getting clicks, it's just a matter of time for you to go and make some sales. So what I'm going to do is that in the next few days, I'm just going to go and change the offer that we're promoting, and I'm going to try another weight loss offer and see if it's going to go and convert a lot better. So all you're going to do, you're going to keep posting on those accounts. You're going to try different products as well, and you're going to be posting consistently, and you're going to make money. So right here you can see right here, so let's check out right here in the last 30 days. So let me right here, let's customize this, and let's check our traffic in the last 30 days and see how much traffic we have gotten overall in this entire 30 days challenge. As you can see from here, this is the product we're promoting. I can see right here we actually got up to 367 clicks. I can see 7 order form impressions. So with this right here, I conclude that it's mostly going to be the problem of the product. So I think the product doesn't convert very well, because if the product was converting, we should have already gotten our first sale in around 120 plus clicks to this particular offer. So what I'm going to do in the next few days, I'm just going to change the product, and I'm going to be promoting another different weight loss products in the place of this Metolin offer right here, because if this offer was converting very well right now, we should have at least made 1 sale from this 367 clicks from here, because we were sending a lot of high quality traffic from our affiliate offers. So right now, the main goal about this challenge right now, the main success about this challenge right now, is that we can actually get consistent clicks from our account to our affiliate offer, which means that if an offer is not converting very well, you can just go and change and promote a similar offer that might convert very well. So if we go, for example, to the affiliate marketplace right now, you're going to see at the top offer right here is the Methylene offer, but we have promoted this. We have not been able to make any money from this. So what we're going to do next is that you're just going to go and look for another weight loss offer. So we'll just scroll down from here. You can see the next one right here is Java Bond, and has been selling on the marketplace for a very long time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the offer, and I'm going to take, for example, either Java Bond, or if I scroll down from here, you're still going to see other weight loss offers from here. So I take, for example, Java Bond. You can see Nagado Tonic is a weight loss offer, and we're going to go and try to promote it on that account. So once you promote an offer and you don't make any money and you have gotten a lot of clicks and it's high quality clicks, all you're going to do, you're going to go and change that offer, because sometimes it's the offer that doesn't convert very well with your type of traffic. So all you're going to do, you're going to be testing different offers, and you're going to find one that converts very well with your traffic, and you're going to make good money from there. So that's it, guys, so for this challenge. So if you found this video helpful or this challenge helpful and you have created your own audience as well, be sure to leave a like on this and also share this. And also, this has not been a complete fail, because you have created now we have assets that can help us to drive traffic every single day to our affiliate offers, and you can just go and change the offers and try different affiliate offers. And if you keep growing your social media accounts that we have created in the last 30 days, you're going to start making money consistently every single day, because you're going to be getting consistent clicks every single day on those different accounts. Okay, so right now, so if you want to go and check where we got most of our traffic from, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and click right here. I'm going to go and click on, for example, click on this. I'm just going to click on tracking ID, so we're going to know where most of our traffic actually came from. So let me click on this. I'm going to TID, and let's see where most of our traffic actually came from. Either it's from Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram. So you can see from here, most of our traffic right here came from 287 came from our Pinterest accounts, because you can easily create more Pinterest accounts. So you can see we got 287 unique clicks hops from Pinterest, and you can see right here on TikTok we got 54 clicks, and on our Instagram accounts right here we got only 27 clicks from here. So I'm going to do, I'm going to be posting a lot more as well on Pinterest. I'm going to keep posting on our TikTok accounts and also on our Instagram accounts right here. So that's it, guys. So that's it for this challenge, and I'm going to be doing a different type of videos. I'm going to be posting different styles of videos and also showing you guys different paid methods as well that can help you to make money fast. Because if you are using, for example, a paid method, it should have not taken us up to 30 days to try to make our first money. It should have taken us at least, for example, 5 days is the highest for us to make our first sale. If you're using, for example, paid traffic, it is very easy for you to go and make your first sale in the first day. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to be sharing a lot of other free methods as well to go and grow your social media accounts, and also paid methods that can help you to make money very fast if you have some money to go and spend on paid traffic methods. So that's, guys, leave a like on this video and share, and that is it. I'm going to see you in the next video.